So this is what we need to adjust the valves on this particular generator, Generac 5500 watt. We're going to need a 21 millimeter socket to get the spark plug off. We'll need something to get put in to see how high the cylinder is. So this Allen key works really good. We need a 5/16 socket. Got on the drill here. And we're going to need a feeder gauge. On this particular model, the valve adjustment is around 0.008. First thing we'll do is we'll take the spark plug holder off and remove our extra tubings. Then we're going to take a socket, put that in there, see if we can get this in there, and we want to take the spark plug out. Take that out. Alright, now we're going to continue to take off 6 bolts that are holding the valve cover on. So we'll quickly just get that off. So we'll just pull that off. And I recently had this open, so we're just going to kind of give this a little spin. You can see the valves are going up, down, up, down. And by the way, you might want to just take the recoil off. I'm kind of going to judge where I know it is. So these are going to get a little loose. And go just starts heading back in here. So you're going to kind of see this go down just to here. Right about there. That's good. So now we're going to take our feeler gauge. Yeah, we're just going to put this. We got in this our case we got 0.008. If you can see that. So we're just going to put that in there. We're just going to see how we get on this one. I had this one to adjust these really. It's not too bad. I just want to. One more thing we're going to use here is a 10 millimeter socket so we can loosen the bolt. So we're just going to spin that down. And then this is going to kind of get a little tight in there, but not too much. We're just going to tighten that down. This is the exhaust valve on the left side because you can see it's on the exhaust side. Here's our intake valve, puts fuel into the engine. And once we get to the top of the stage, we're going to kind of get this back in there, make it a small one. But let's see, we're just going to get this so it's loose again. I think we're just about there. Let's go over one more time here. So you can kind of get the idea how this works. There's our intake valve. I'm going to pick this up and make another adjustment. Just want to see what I got. Yeah, see it's a little loose. So we're going to take this one, take that down. Once we loosen that up, we can pretty much just tighten this other one up just about by hand. And we're just going to tighten this down until we get nice and snug. You can feel a little play in there, that's good. Just a little bit is all we need. We'll stick the feeler gauge back in there. We'll kind of, it's tight but not too tight, that's good. Okay. Alright, now we're going to put our spark plug back in and put everything back together. Because we got our confident we got our valves adjusted properly. So we'll just spin that guy back in there. And we'll tighten it up with our 21 millimeter socket here. And snug is good. We just don't want to over tighten it because it's good. Alright, we'll just give this a little wipe with the rag, make sure we don't have anything on that gas that's going to go. We're going to reuse the gasket because it's got a good seal on it already. There's no gaps or holes in it. So we're just going to reuse it. It's okay. We're just going to give it a little wipe inside here first. Any debris or anything out of there we don't want. Foreign matter. Alright, so we're going to pop that bad boy back on there. Start a couple of screws by hand and off we go. Now we'll throw our spark plug on there. I turned the fuel supply off before I started actually, so we're just gonna be on the safe side here, but we're just gonna turn that back on. We're gonna choke this. Oh, one more thing. Let's not forget a little thing hose here. I don't think you really need it, but hey. Be carb compliant, right? Now we're just going to back up here, show you the whole picture, and we're going to start this up and see what we got. Oh, one more thing to help if you turn the switch on. Alright. Choke it. Alright, so there we